Konnichiwa everyone. Welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we have a unique treat for you. Japanese style coffee jelly. It's made with only 3 ingredients: coffee, Kanten powder, and ours Koso. Kanten is a plant-based gelatin derived from red edible seaweed. Unlike gelatin derived from animals, Kanten is suitable for vegetarian and vegan diets. Also, Kanten has 0 calories, so great for weight management. This refreshing dessert not only tastes amazing, but also provides great benefit for your gut health. Here are the ingredients you need: your favorite coffee, Kanten powder. You can get this at the Asian market near you. Ours Koso, we'll be using it to add some natural sweetness and gut health benefit. First, brew your favorite coffee. Please don't judge my brewing skills. I'm still learning. Pour the coffee into a saucepan and add Kanten. Bring it to gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes to ensure Kanten is well dissolved. Pour the coffee mixture into a mold or individual serving cups. Let it cool to room temperature. Then place it in the refrigerator to set for a few hours or until it's firm. Once it's firm, add about 1 tablespoon of ours Koso to the coffee jelly. This will not only sweeten our jelly, but also infuse it with the beneficial probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics from ours Koso. Here we have our beautiful Japanese-style coffee jelly. You can serve it with coconut whipping cream or regular cream if you are not vegan if you like. It's a healthy and refreshing dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes.